In this video, I'm going to show you how you can combine 2 or more videos in Canva. As you can see here, I have 2 videos and we are currently on canva.com. So once you're on Canva and you've logged in, go to create in the top left-hand corner. Here you can then find videos. From here, you can choose a template which suits you. So if you want it in mobile portrait format, or you can use a landscape format as well as many other templates that you can choose. I'm going to choose here video landscape 1920 by 1080. Once you've opened that up, it's going to open up the timeline here, and we can go to uploads on the left. We can then click upload files, and from here you can find the video files you want to upload. I'm going to highlight both of these. We'll click on open, and it will then upload these 2 videos to the video section on Canva. Just make sure you wait until it goes to 100% until you drag it on. Just like that, it's uploaded. We can drag on the first video and resize it if necessary. Then we can drag on the second video and we can drag it next to the first one here on the timeline. And there you go, we've got the second video on, which we can also resize as well. Now you can move the order of these videos around. So I could drag the starting video and move it to the end over here. So there we go. We could do that if we wanted to, but basically we've combined the videos now. We can just export this now. So if we go to share in the top right hand corner, you can then click download. Make sure you download as an MP4 file. Make sure it's the highest quality possible. Click on download. It will then render your video and download it to your computer. And just like that, we've got the video downloading, which has combined both of these videos. So I hope that video did help you out.